For the Good Things Utah Kitchen, provided by Floor and Decor.
Well, if you love adventure and are ready for your education to soar to new heights, Southern Utah University's aviation program might just be the choice for you. I'm so excited to be hanging out here with Mike Mower, Executive Director of the program. And Mike, I have to say, I am so impressed. I know you started this program back in 2013, and it has grown so quickly. It's really unheard of what you have done here.
It has, and from inception in 2013 until now, we started off with 10 instructors and 30 students. We're now 560 students and over 100 full-time employees. It's just been amazing.
So incredible. You have 16 airplanes, 23 helicopters, and I had no idea, but you guys actually train 1 in 10 of the professional helicopter pilots here in the U.S.
It is so just amazing that here in rural southern Utah, we have the perfect training environment, and 10% of all new helicopter pilots are coming out of Utah. What an opportunity for us to spread the hard work and drive and the motivation that really makes Utahns what they are.
No, it's a hidden gem, and I didn't realize that. Where are we right now?
Well, we're in main hangar 1, and this is where the admin offices are. It's also storage for a lot of our aircraft. And it's just, this is the hub. From here, all the students, all the instructors come in, and they go out and fly over the entire state of Utah from this one location.
How cool. I mean, it's one thing to be able to read about theory and aviation in a book, right? It's another to have hands-on experience somewhere like this.
Yes, and Southern Utah University is known for our experiential education. And there's no other place where you can get hands-on and the book work on day 1, and then move and apply it the very next day to flight.
Okay, so let's talk about your SkyWest Pilot Pathway Program, because that's, I know, one major draw for a lot of students here. Tell us about that.
Yeah, so we're very fortunate, and SkyWest, great partners. They're also a local Utah company here. So our pilots, as they're going through the program, will enter into this pathway program, and what that does is it gives them a clearly defined path to move from the training world into commercial flight.
So many different programs and different pathways that students can take. Some heavy machinery over here too. What are we looking at over there?
We've got some really crazy stuff here, and we're gonna look first right here at the Hiller YROE-1, which was developed in the post-Korean and pre-Vietnam era. And what that really represents is the ability for a pilot to be self-rescued if they were downed. And another thing that really makes that aircraft unique is Chuck Aaron, and part of our maintenance program, what he's really going to help us with is he's going to refurbish this aircraft. Last time it was flown was 60 years ago. There's 6 of them left, and they're all in museums. But because of SUU's reputation and Chuck's reputation, the museum has allowed us to take this. He's going to refurbish it as part of our maintenance program, and he's going to fly it.
Wow.
And so neat. And again, one of the really neat things to come out of Southern Utah University's aviation program is we're transforming regulations. We authored and lobbied for legislation that changed maintenance training regulations, and in 2018, President Trump signed it into law out of Southern Utah.
Making such a huge impact, and it is so impressive. We're just scratching the surface, but you do need to follow the aviation program, so be sure to find them on Facebook and Instagram and YouTube, everybody. They're also at suu.edu/aviation. And turns out I'm actually rethinking my career path right about now. Is it too late for me to apply?
It's not too late, and one of the really neat things is women make great pilots, and unfortunately, less than 6% of aviators are female. And you're lighter, you're better, everything.
I don't know if I'm dressed the part, but I'm about to get ready, so here we come.
Let's get a flight suit for you.
Thanks so much, Mike.